a little bit more time, so I'm gonna give it like 10 more minutes to boil. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making mashed potatoes. There's only 3 ingredients you will need. You will need slices of potato, table salt, and some butter. The first thing you want to do is you're gonna want to boil the potatoes for 20 to 25 minutes. So, also you will need parent supervision. I have my mom. I think these potatoes from my one need a little bit more time, so I'm gonna give it like 10 more minutes to boil, so it can. Guys, I just calculated it. There's actually 4 ingredients. The 4th ingredient is some mint, and then you can use a potato masher, but I don't really have one, so I just use this. And then you're and then you're just gonna mush it until it's like a little clear. You're not gonna mush it like all the way. Well, you can if you want. I'm just mushing it like this, and then you're gonna take a little bit of table salt and then sprinkle it all around the potatoes, like mashed potato. And you're just gonna mush it around again, like this. And then you're gonna take some butter. Come on, go down. Scrape it. All right there. Now you're gonna mush it, because this butter is not coming out. And then you're just gonna add a little bit more butter, because you need more butter. Okay, there. Mush it again. Mush together. And I trust you, it's gonna taste perfect at the end. Because it's not really coming together. There. My mom just helped to put a little bit more in. It smells so good. There's a close-up for you. It smells like cheese. I'm gonna put a spoon of milk. I'm just gonna pour. Okay. I think that's enough. And now I'm gonna mush it. You can eat the milk. I just put it in a tiny bowl. I think this is finished. Me and my brothers taste a little bit. It tastes amazing, guys. Amazing. I'm gonna try it. It tastes amazing. Really good. That was my brother. It tastes amazing, as you can see. I hope guys you will follow this. I hope guys you will make this. It tastes amazing. And can you please subscribe to my channel and like that thumbs up button. I'll see you next time. Bye.